Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our show Nawab's Kitchen. It's me, yours Khwaja Mainuddin. Today we are preparing a special dish for our children. Yeah, Kuska. Let's see how can we make it in a easy process. Now we start the main process of making Kuska. First we add oil. After getting heat this oil, now we add cinnamon and cloves. Now we add green chili. Immediately we are going to add ginger and garlic. Next ingredient, sliced onions. Once onions turn into brown, now we add tomatoes. After 2 minutes boiling, add this coriander and mint leaves. To make it more taste, now we add salt. Now remove this and make it into a paste using with a blender. In the second process of the recipe, next we are going to add ghee. In this ghee, next we add bay leaf and some garam masala spices. Next, sliced onions. Next, some more tomatoes. Now we are going to add some more spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder and garam masala. Garam masala. Add some more salt. Now it's time to add already prepared masala paste. To make it this recipe more delicious, we add curd, if you want more spiciness in this recipe, you can add some more green chili also. To complete this recipe process, now we add sufficient water to boil the rice. Now close the lid up to 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to add already 30 minutes soaked basmati rice. Now we garnish with this coriander and mint leaves. How do you feel after watching these videos? Write in our comment box and don't forget to share our videos. It will be helpful for more kids. If you want to contact me or doing something for these kids, write in our mailbox 786godfoods@gmail.com. Until then, Allah Hafiz.